3 quickest ways to grow wealth in 2022. While almost everyone would love to become wealthy, not everyone has the same goal in mind. Some people will sacrifice certain luxuries in order to save more, while others take risks up front by investing in high return investments or specific business ventures that could build wealth over time. In this video, I will show you how you can build wealth quickly. Keep watching to learn more. What is wealth? People have different perceptions of what wealth is. For one person, it could mean owning a property, and for another to have a profitable investment. If you were to look at that from a financial standpoint, the term wealth would be the difference between assets and debts. Building wealth may seem impossible, but is actually quite simple. In fact, you don't have to earn 6 figures to get where you want to be, no matter how old you are. All you need is determination. The first quickest way you can grow wealth is by increasing your income. Whether you're just starting or in the process of transitioning, it's essential to start setting up multiple streams of income. Check out these ways to increase your wealth today. 1. Start a business. The richest people in the world aren't employees, they're business founders. That's why if you have an idea for a business that will increase your income, you should pursue it as soon as possible. Starting your own business doesn't have to be a complicated process. You can start small and build up depending on how well the company is doing. 2. Take on jobs that pay well. You can find out about the high-paying jobs and occupations that you might be interested in by checking out the BLS website. More than 100 professions pay an average of not less than $80,000 per year. Good examples of professionals paid highly include physicians, managers, nurses, and engineers. For people without a lot of experience, freelance work may not be as rewarding as you might expect. It also often takes a number of months to make enough money to make it worth your while. 3. Start a side hustle. Even if you have a job, you don't have to rely solely on that for your income. You can also run a successful side hustle to increase your money. One of the great benefits to working from home is being able to do your hobby or other side projects during free time. This can be a good use of your extra time, and it also gives you a chance to ask for compensation for that project or hobby you enjoy doing. 4. Enhance your skills. There are 2 strategies to increase your income and return on investments. You have the option of reducing your spending or increasing your income. The majority of people are preoccupied with the first and overlook the second. Developing your skill set can help you earn more money. Obtaining a degree, an MBA, or a specific certification, for example, can all lead to a promotion and raise in pay. The second quickest way you can grow wealth is by increasing your savings. Another important stage in accumulating wealth is to save money. It's time to start saving after you have enough money to meet your basic necessities. Remember that putting aside little sums of money on a daily basis might add up to a significant amount of money over time. 1. You can increase your savings by making a budget. A budget is your financial plan, comprising projections of your expenses versus your income. A budget is a key instrument in the production of wealth. It provides you with a breakdown of your expenses, highlighting areas where you may cut back to maximize your savings. It is best to develop a fresh budget every month in order to keep it manageable. Can you imagine a sailor who doesn't have a compass? That's how someone who spends their money without a plan looks. Such a person will almost certainly face a severe financial collapse. The 50/30/20 rule is a common and successful budgeting approach. According to this technique, you should spend 50% of your salary on necessities such as food, rent, and healthcare. Non-essentials, such as shopping and luxury pastimes, receive a 30% allocation. The remaining 20% is the most essential allocation, and it should be used for savings. 2. You can increase your savings by creating an emergency fund. Emergency fund kits prepare you for unforeseen circumstances such as job loss. Such situations might throw your wealth building strategy off track if you don't have emergency savings. Selling the investment or acquiring debts are two frequent consequences. When you accumulate loans, your wealth begins to dwindle. You'll also have to pay interest on the loan. If you sell your investment, you will lose the cash and interest that you would have earned otherwise. To avoid such occurrences, create an emergency fund as a backup fund to cover unexpected expenses. 3. You can increase your savings by clearing your debts. Debt, whether credit card debt, mortgage debt, student loan debt, or any other type, can stymie your efforts to create your wealth. You might begin by paying off high-interest debt in order to save money and begin accumulating wealth. 4. You can increase your savings by living within your means. Overspending can have a significant influence on your potential to accumulate money. Reduce your expenditure on frivolous items such as dining out, buying fancy clothing, and taking regular trips. While being thrifty might be tedious and frustrating at times, you will accumulate money and find it gratifying in the long run. The third quickest way you can grow wealth is by investing. You can invest in the followings. 1. Stock market. Investing in business stock is one of the most simple and effective methods to grow money. You become a shareholder when you buy shares, and you own a portion of the corporation. Investing in equities using exchange-traded funds is a risk-free and transparent way to do so. ETFs are risk-adjusted passive funds. They assist investors in avoiding costly fees and taxes. They also enable you to diversify your stock portfolio. That means you may target certain ETFs, such as developing markets, developed markets, or American markets, for your investment. Stocks provide the greatest return on investment, although being significantly riskier than other investments. You may minimize your risks and increase your profits by using a well-informed diversification plan. 2. Real estate. Investing in real estate investment trusts allows you to profit from the real estate market without having to be directly involved. REITs are equities that are invested in real estate companies that acquire and sell properties. This category also includes mortgage firms. When the company's worth rises, you benefit as well. REITs pay out substantial dividends, which you may reinvest in order to increase your profits. In summary, building wealth isn't really a difficult task. You may quickly increase your fortune if you are dedicated and disciplined. It's critical to arm oneself with financial knowledge before embarking on this road. That alone should propel you through the rest of the processes with ease, allowing you to accumulate riches. When it comes to generating money, many individuals disregard retirement funds. You'll not only be able to save for retirement, but you'll also be able to increase your wealth over time. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more wealth contents.